name's Karen KC the cook, and today I'm going to be making shell pasta with sausage, peppers, onions, and meatballs. Okay, what we have here is we have our cooked pasta already here to strain. I'm going to strain it really well. I'm going to put that right in the bowl. Okay, and remember I had leftover sausages, peppers, and onions from last night's dinner. So what we're going to do is we have, look at that, we microwaved it. And we're going to cut the sausage in small pieces. As small as possible. We also have meat sauce with meatball gravy that I had microwaved, that I had frozen, and we have that heated up. We're going to add this all together. Okay. Cut up the sausage really well. It has a beautiful, nice wine sauce at the bottom. Okay, we're going to pour that right on top of the pasta, just half of it. We're going to mix it. Excuse me. I'm going to add some salt and some crushed black pepper. Okay, now we're going to add our homemade red salt meat sauce with meatballs. I cut the meatballs up really good. Actually, I see one that I need to cut. Just mash it up. Okay, and now we're going to pour that, half of it right in. We're going to give it a good mixing. This is a really fast, delicious meal. This is just using leftovers from last night. I made a nice pasta, I mixed it all together. And now we're going to add the rest of the sausage. Mix again. And a little bit more gravy on the top of that. Right there. Okay, and we're going to add a little bit more black crushed pepper on the top. And we can't forget the grated cheese. Put that right over the top. And there it is. It's a really delicious meal, Italian meal you can make for your family. Now we're going to have some on our plate here. Taste it. Taste a little. Take some pasta, some sausage, a little bit of the meatball. It's delicious. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you make this recipe and have a great night. Bye.